for the first time ever, Casio have made a ring. Actually, that's technically not true. They released a Ubera ring pipe holder thing, a few decades ago. Since then, they've been making some pretty cool watches, but for the first time, they've actually gone back to their roots and made another ring. Now, this was a limited edition, quite difficult to get. You had to enter for a raffle, but I was lucky enough to be one of the well, I still had to buy it, but I was lucky enough to be one of the people chosen to be able to purchase it. I've got a few Casio watches, but none of them come in an engagement box, basically. What's cool about this, apart from the fact that it's a literal watch on your finger, is that it's made from a solid piece of stainless steel. It basically looks like a Casio miniature version. I mean, if you look at what a Casio watch is supposed to look like, and then what they've just released, you can really see the difference. And you can see, I mean, I'm not the best hand model. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. I mean, just as a novelty, it's probably one of my favorite Casio pieces out there, but it has so much functionality. So it has the time, stopwatch function, date function, and even an alarm as well. It doesn't actually have like a speaker, so you can't play any sounds, but it does have a light. But when you do set the alarm, it will light up. Now you can barely see it on camera because it's quite bright here, but in the dark it will light up. I mean, not that anyone's really going to be using this for their alarm or stopwatch features, because these are really hard buttons to actually press. So you might be asking, okay, well, great, this looks really cool, it's very novel. What if it doesn't actually fit your finger? Well, I mean, probably not the most ingenious way, but Casio have tried to help with that aspect, and they've included these kind of like plastic bands where you basically just clip them in, and there are some holes here that lock into the little protruding rods there, and that basically will make it, a size or a few smaller, and you can put them on your smaller fingers like that. Thankfully, they do include this little pouch here, so when you're not wearing it, you A, don't lose it, and B, you don't scratch it up if you want to put it in your bag or store it somewhere in your drawer. Not a hugely tech related video, but the fact that they can fit all of that same technology that they would in a watch into this tiny little ring here, and you've got to admit it's quite a feat of engineering. But I just thought it was a really cool product that I wanted to show you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, don't worry, there'll be another tech related video next week. But if you did, then I'm glad.